Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the hardest scramble on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So let's get right into it. Guys, firstly we are going to talk how scramble becomes harder. When a cube is scrambled, if it takes more moves to solve in case, it becomes harder. So if in a F12 I could not make pair easily and taking more than 5 to 6 moves, it will easily make that F12 harder. Or in OLL we get any difficult algorithm or a long algorithm, it makes the scramble difficult. So guys, I'm going to now show how it looks and why it is the hardest scramble. Guys, this is the hardest scramble because every piece is flipped and switched with opposite place, like this should be here but is here, and this will take some time to solve, or it will easily be more than 8 moves solved, which will take more time, and the solution will be also much harder. I am now going to teach how you can make this scramble on your own. Guys, first you need to make a super flip pattern. So first do this, then face the bottom, face the right, again face the bottom, face the right, and go for the super flip. Now add checkerboard pattern on it. So you can see, guys, I added around 23 seconds, so I'm going to solve it on camera and show. This will take some more time to solve than any other scramble. So let's start it. Shit. So guys, you can see I only took a minute to solve it, and keep practicing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, goodbye, and don't forget to like and subscribe.